Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss the addition of two unlike fractions. What are we going to discuss? Adding unlike fractions. Okay. Before we dive into the topic, let us discuss the differences between like and unlike fractions. Like fractions are those fractions that have the same denominator. Like 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 are like fractions because they have the same denominator, which is 4. Unlike fractions are those fractions which have different denominator, like 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. So they are different. They have different denominators, so they are unlike fractions. Okay, so now let's dive into some of the examples. Let's suppose we have to add 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. Okay, how are we going to add them? First of all, we are going to take the LCM. We are going to take the LCM of these two numbers. So what is the LCM of 3 and 6? The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So I will multiply 2 by 3 by 2 so that I have to make the denominator 6. And in the case of 5 by 6, I will multiply it by 1. Okay, so what do we get? 2 2s are 4, 4 over 6 plus 5 over 6. So what do we get over here? 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 over 6. Or it is 1 3 by 6. 1 3 by 6. Or 1 whole 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, let's have a look at another example. 4 by 8 plus 3 by 6. Okay, now we have to find the LCM of 8 and 6. What do you think is going to be the LCM of 8 and 6? Is it 12? No. We need a number which is common to both 8 and 6. So the LCM in this case is going to be 24. So what am I going to do? I am going to multiply 4 by 8 by the numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 3. And in the case of 3 by 6, I will multiply the numerator and denominator by 4 in order to make the denominator 24. So I get 12 over 24 plus 12 over 24. So what do I get? 24 over 24. That is 1 whole. Let's check. Did we make any mistake? I don't think so. Because 4 by 8, when it is simplified, we get 1 by 2. 3 by 6, simplified, we get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 whole. So here we basically took the LCM and we took the LCM, which is 24, and 12 by 24 plus 12 by 24 is 1. Let's have a look at another example. 7 by 6 plus 1 by 2. What do you think is going to be the LCM in this case? Is it 12? No. Is it 2? No. It's going to be 6. So I am going to multiply 7 by 6 by 1 and 1 by 2 will be multiplied by 3. Let's see what do we get. So I get 7 by 6 plus 3 by 6. So the answer is 10 by 6. You can simplify it in its simplest form or you can express it in a mixed number. So this is how we basically add unlike fractions. It's pretty simple. It's conceptual. You have to find the LCM. You have to make a common denominator for both the fractions. So in the next video, we are going to discuss subtracting unlike fractions.